What are you doing?
Oh my god! A couple weeks ago. Oh, it hurts! Oh my gosh!
Why? I heard you and you're still laughing. You right? Ma, you right? Quality ingredients. That's why taste is king. Well, I'm gonna start a vlog. Alright? It's gonna be of me and my life. Kinda like Rasta vlog. But it's gonna be Dylan vlog. Davis vlog. D vlog. Oh. Well, got me some Subway.
Will you stand with the camera? I look like a dang wet puppy.
What?
Wet puppy.
I'm gonna start a vlog of myself. Not
A vlog?
vlog. I'm gonna take videos of me every day. Like, just of my life, and post it on YouTube. That's what a lot of people do.
Everybody, a lot of people?
Leave me alone.
Hurry up, forget. Oh my gosh. Oh, I figured out how to do the clock.
Cool. What?
I figured out how to do the clock.
How?
You hold it down until it starts flashing.